I'm Frank Harmon. I'm the associate pastor at Placentia Presbyterian Church. Well, we came last year, and our church has been coming for a couple of years, and every year this is the one trip that our kids really say they want to come to. Regardless of what we do, no matter how much other activities we do in the summer, it's Rock and Water is the one trip that they really want to do each year. So this is the way we end our summer, is coming up here the last week that you guys are open and celebrate our summer by having a fun time whitewater rafting and playing games like this and just having a good time. Oh, it's a no-brainer for me as a youth minister to come up because it's a Christian camp, and I know there's other Christian camps up here, but this one is just the attitude of all the leaders and the staff. It's just they've been over backwards to preach the gospel, with quiet times, with lessons on the river, with lessons at day. Everything ties into God's love and showing God's love for each other. And it's just, for me as a leader, it's a no-brainer to come to a camp like this that's so focused on God and God's ministry and what God has to do. We're from the Anaheim, LA basin, and so the closest thing to nature that we see is a park that's got 5 or 6 trees and a man-made pond. We try to get them out of nature, but on their own, I would say, a soccer field or a football field is probably the closest thing to nature, the grass, maybe golf course that any of these kids really see on a regular basis. So it is nice. We don't even sleep in tents out here because it's one opportunity that we get to actually fully experience God's creation, the vastness of God's work here on earth and elsewhere. Yeah, it's super important. I grew up in the Midwest, and it was a part of my upbringing. And it's just, seeing God outside of making us and making our friends and making our iPods and that type of video players. And, it's much more, the fact that trees are 200 years old here and stuff like that. It makes things much more bigger picture than just us and our little lives, to focus more on the big picture of God's creation than on ourselves. So yeah, it's important to get back into nature and experience the full aspect of God's love and creation.